John caught a glimpse of the golden throne. Tell me all about it. Go right on around the throne. He saw crystal sea. There's got to be more. What will it be? I want to go to the city he saw, New Jerusalem. Jerusalem, I want to walk those streets that are golden, and I want to run where the angels have trod. Jerusalem, I want to rest on the banks of your river, in the city of God. John saw the lion laid down by the lake. I wanna know everything about that land. John saw the day that did not see night. The Lamb of God, well, it must be the light. He saw the saints worship the great I am, crying, worthy, worthy is the Lamb. I want to go to the city he saw, New Jerusalem.